In this video, I'm going to help you install Dlss for Unreal Engine, showing you how to set it up and use it in the viewport. To start with, we need to check the version of Unreal Engine you are using. Open Epic Games and go onto the Unreal Engine tab. Then go into the Library tab at the top, and there you'll see what engines you have installed. Now you'll need to download the corresponding DLSS version with the Unreal Engine version you have installed. I'll leave a download link in the description. On Nvidia's website, you need to agree to the terms and conditions of the Nvidia DLSS End User License Agreement and download the correct version of the Unreal Engine DLSS plugin corresponding to your Unreal Engine version. Open the zip file you've just got from Nvidia's website, which contains the DLSS plugin. Then go into the DLSS folder. Now you need to find the installation folder of Unreal Engine and find the plugins folder. In the plugins folder, you need to create a new folder called Nvidia. Then in that Nvidia folder, you need to create a DLSS folder. Then in that folder, you need to copy the zip contents of DLSS into that folder. Once that's complete, open up your Unreal Engine project you want to add DLSS to. You can add DLSS to any project now what uses the same Unreal Engine version. To enable the DLSS plugin, you need to go into Edit, Plugins, and type DLSS into the search directory, tick the tick box for DLSS, and restart the engine. You can now enable DLSS in the viewport by selecting the Menu tab in the viewport, and then there should be a new setting called DLSS Settings. You can now switch between quality, balance, performance, and ultra performance, and also turn it off. DLSS will give you a performance improvement, and you can check this metric at the top right of your screen if you're using Unreal Engine 5. I hope you enjoyed this video.